Books and authors. India after independence, V.D. Savarkar. India after independence, V.D. Savarkar. India divided, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. India divided, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. India wins freedom, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. India wins freedom, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Songs of India, Sarojini Naidu. Songs of India, Sarojini Naidu. Discovery of India, Nehru. Discovery of India, Nehru. A better world, a better India, Narayana Murthy. A better world, a better India, Narayana Murthy. Poverty of India, Dadabhai Naoroji. Condition of India, Dadabhai Naoroji. Poverty and un-British rule in India, Dadabhai Naoroji. Poverty of India, condition of India, poverty and un-British rule in India, Dadabhai Naoroji. Unhappy India, Lala Lajpat Rai. England debt to India, Lala Lajpat Rai. Unhappy India, England debt to India, Lala Lajpat Rai. India my dream, APJ Abdul Kalam. India 2020, a vision for millennium, APJ Abdul Kalam. India my dream, India 2020, a vision for millennium, APJ Abdul Kalam. A great Indian novel, Shashi Tharoor. India Midnight to Millennium, Shashi Tharoor. A great Indian novel, India Midnight to Millennium, Shashi Tharoor. India Today, R.P. Dutt. India Today, R.P. Dutt. Imagining India, Nandan Nilekani. Imagining India, Nandan Nilekani. Mother India, Catherine Mayo. Mother India, Catherine Mayo. India under Congress rule, EMS. India under Congress rule, EMS. No full stop in India, Mark Tully. No full stop in India, Mark Tully. India after Gandhi, Ramachandra Guha. India after Gandhi, Ramachandra Guha. India after Nehru, Kuldeep Singh Nayyar. India after Nehru, Kuldeep Singh Nayyar. The end of India, Khushwant Singh. The end of India, Khushwant Singh. A passage to India, V.M. Foster. A passage to India, V.M. Foster. A passage to England, Nirad C. Chowdhury. A passage to England, Nirad C. Chowdhury. India in transition, M.N. Roy. India in transition, M.N. Roy. My Indian struggle, Subhash Chandra Bose. My Indian struggle, Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian philosophy, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Indian philosophy, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Future of India, Bimal Jalal. Future of India, Bimal Jalal. Jinnah India, Partition of Independence, Jaswant Singh. Jinnah India, Partition of Independence, Jaswant Singh. Planned Economy for India, M. Visvesvaraya. Planned Economy for India, M. Visvesvaraya. My Indian Years, Hardinge Prabhu. My Indian Years, Hardinge Prabhu. India remembered, Pamela Mountbatten. India remembered, Pamela Mountbatten. A great Indian love story, Ira Trivedi. A great Indian love story, Ira Trivedi.